You can renew your ILL or Gill Express items by going to gilfind.gordonstate.edu right here. That'll take you to the college catalog. You need to sign in using your Gordon State user credentials. And if you click on your name and then select My Loans under My Library Account, it's going to show you the things that you have borrowed from Gordon State, but over here on the left side it lists all of the colleges and universities that you've ever borrowed items from. So you have to know what college the material has been borrowed from. I happen to know that I've got something that is checked out from Georgia State. So if I select Georgia State University, it's going to show me all the things I have currently on loan. If I want to renew this, there's going to be a link that says renew as long as I'm able to renew. You'll see that this book is due back on the 13th of March. If you wait until the day that it's due, you won't be able to renew it and this link won't appear. You have to do it at least the day before the due date. So to renew it, just click on renew, and you'll get a message right here. It says renewed in green, and you'll know that your book has been renewed. And it is definitely inconvenient to have to know where you have borrowed books from, especially if you use this service a lot. You'll eventually have a list of probably every single library out there. They are talking about changing this display so that instead of having to choose the library, it will just give you a list of all your loans in the underneath the loan link, and then that'll make it a lot easier because you can just scroll through the list of everything and easily see what you have out. So again, if this one's due on the 15th, I can renew it and give myself a little bit more time, and it gives me another 2 weeks on there. And that's basically all you have to do. This is incidentally what the staff sees. So this is a fake patron, but we would be able to see all the loans that one of our Gordon State College users has out, and it would display right here. And we can also see under network activity anything they have borrowed from another institution, but there's no way for us to renew items that aren't ours. So actually the only thing that we could renew would be things that somebody checked out from Gordon State. So that is why you have to go into Gilfind yourself and renew your own ILL and Gill Express items.